Okay, so this is the Game Boy Advance SP case protector I got from Aliexpress. Took 5 weeks to arrive to Australia. It cost $3.20 US. Alright, packaging wise, I feel like they did a very poor job in this area. It was in a plastic bag, plastic envelope bag, and inside was another padded bag, a thin padded bag. Things like this can get scratched easily. So some like this Game Boy Micro faceplate, this different store they put a film protection film on it, but they didn't put it on this side. And this guy didn't do it, so as a result you can see like the scratches there. There's 2 here. I mean, it's minor, but you want to put more care and thought into your products you're selling, make a customer happy. So I was a bit disappointed in that. I put the store's details in the description so you can you decide if you want to buy from them or not. Okay, these are the Game Boy Advance SP buttons. These are the clear black color that I chose. It took 4 weeks to arrive to Australia. It cost $3.84 US. You can see they look really sharp and clean, polished, shimmery. Looks very high quality. It came in a nice padded small envelope bag, so very happy with this, guys. I'll order from them again. Hopefully there's no issues when I install it. Alright, this is the Game Boy Advance SP shell. I chose a gold color. It took 5 weeks to arrive to Australia. It cost $5.21 US. The packaging was really good. They put a lot of care and thought into packaging the items, so I'm really happy with that. So this is the gold, shimmery gold, but it's obviously painted, spray painted. The buttons are a light grey color. This is the clear black one, just to show for contrast. So the Nintendo sticker is here. It has adhesive, but the bits that go on here, the rubber bits, doesn't seem to have any adhesive, so I'm not sure how I'm going to stick that later on. So please note, if you're buying from this store, it does not come with this serial sticker. I've totally missed that out when I was buying this, so looks like I'm gonna have to wait another 10 million years for my sticker to arrive from Aliexpress. But yeah, clean cut, really happy with the quality of this shell. Phillips screw, remove the battery cover. This is the battery, and the rest are all tri-wing screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, remove 3 Phillips head screw. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this part needs to be really gentle. There are many ways to do it, but I don't know, I just need to show you. So the ribbon cable is there. This is the need to push this tab up. 1, 2, and it's free. To remove the motherboard, is just removing the speaker here. Once you remove the speaker, next is hiding underneath the ribbon cable is a Phillips head screw. Remove that. Next is to remove the 5 tri-wing screws. But you need to remove the rubber pads here. I really don't know what's the best way to remove all these rubber pads. I just use this knife, and as you can see, I've wrecked the shell. If you're going to use an existing shell, just be careful. Since I'm going to replace it, I don't care, but yeah, I would like to know if anyone got any ideas how to best remove it safely. Remove that Phillips head screw underneath the ribbon cable. This releases this cover bit. Remove the 5 screws. The back cover comes off easily. Be careful, this one can fall out. Now I need to remove the ribbon cable. Be very extra careful. Ribbon cables are very fragile. Lastly is to remove the hinges. So this is it's just snap onto the case, so be careful, don't break it. You break it, you're stuck. To remove that white one, it's from this side. So I open it and I pushed it out here. The black one, I'm having issues getting to it. So I'll just see if I can do it in under 10 seconds. Okay. Out. Anyway, so just push it out. I don't know why it doesn't want to come out. Okay, I figured out why the black one didn't want to come out. It needs to be aligned, the grooves need to be aligned, so it can just come out the slot. See this here? If it's not aligned, it's not going to come out. Like that. So you just need to manipulate the top case by, going out like this to get it right, and it will just slot out the groove. Phew. Just want to note the cap of the replacement looks like that, but the original is sealed. Okay, these hinges are a pain in the butt to go in, so they need to go in one way only. If you put it in and it's struggling to get in, don't force it in, you will damage it. You will go in easily. So see this front notch here of this bottom case, and this part here, there's also a notch at the back. So if I move it, you can see it. See how the bottom notch also moves? So you need to get it aligned perfectly. So this one goes to the slot in, and also this is another one. So you got to align it up properly. Struggling to get this in. Yep. Yep, it's not going in. So just have to make sure it's aligned properly. Okay, I think something to do with the molding or the hole. Not sure why it wouldn't go in. I aligned it correctly, but it wouldn't get in, so I pressed really hard and it finally got in. That's the black side. I actually broke one of the clips, so please be extra careful. Hopefully there's no issues there. Okay, it's finally done. So this is a quick look. Front console feel really nice. AB. Okay. Oh yeah, the rubber bits are really snug fit, so no issues there. Just still be careful, I suppose. And I use the original screws. I don't know if I mentioned that. And lastly is the case shell. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys.